Good Governance Federation founder and President A. Charles announced that formal Good Governance Federation website launched on 26 January coincided with the 72nd anniversary of India's Republic Day. Good Governance Federation website launch with zeal and enthusiastic way. The real highlights of this Good Governance Federation website launch was in slum area, various parts of the Rajiv Gandhi Nagar. Common persons came forward, especially a group of few downtrodden women who launched this Good Governance website and dedicated to the citizens of India. Common practices avoided in this website. Launch functions. Normally, any organizations or political party will launch in the grand manner in Star Hotel or in the prime spot with VIPs, but this launch was simple along with the common persons. Mr. Charles, founder president of Good Governance Federation, and Mr. Binu Thomas, National Committee Advisor of Good Governance Federation and Slot Mission Director. One of the social activists, Mr. Anand Manoharan, visited the Good Governance Federation site camp office, study center and appreciated the slot, that is, serving the least of this project. Also, he promised to support this Good Governance Federation slot project. The Good Governance Federation's assets origin in India empower citizen movement, especially for common people's upliftment and development. A. Charles and some other social activists who had been involved in teams as a great support of Good Governance Federation for common people's development that had gained momentum now in India. Charles considered that direct involvement in politics was necessary because attempt to obtain progress regarding the good governance through talks with existing political parties had, in its opinion, achieved nothing. A detailed discussion conducted on the purpose to be operated by Common People Development and other social networking services had indicated that there was a wide support for uplifting downtrodden. Good Governance Federation requests huge fund, which will be easy for social activists to organize without compromising on their value. Although we take neutral stand, A. Charles considered that the direct involvement in politics was necessary because attempt to obtain progress regarding the good governance implementation. Currently, A. Charles had support from some social service movement activists, M. Pervin Samuel, chief reporter and news presenter Pinky.